What's up, everybody? It is Wednesday. Things are finally starting to pick up. The SPY is at a new all-time high. It's going to open at a new all-time high anyway. Slightly green, but still green nonetheless. You can see that, one, I updated my colors on my gappers, but two, we kind of got a little bit more players here. Earnings are finally starting to kick in. I'm getting a lot of really good setups today for the green side today. So I got 5 minutes. I'm going to do a quick run through my sheet, and then I'll go over a couple of the trades that I think look really good. So obviously only taking the best of the best setups. I need to focus on my psychology every 30 minutes, riding the EMA or the coattails of the big traders. Pay attention to the VWAP at the open. Look out for reversals, bounces, those sorts of things. Definitely look out for the daily support and resistances. Reversals, make sure that they're clean, they got everything that I'm looking for, whole numbers, big fast momentum, big sizes. 30 minutes in shows who's winning the overall trend, depending on buyers and sellers. So if I'm looking at a stock that's, if I'm looking for a wall trade, I want to make sure that it's one, above the VWAP, and two, the buyers are winning and the SPY is green. Same with everything else. Let the market come to me. On a failed breakout, protect my capital. I know that my best trades work immediately and run immediately, so why would I want to waste my time with any stock that isn't doing exactly that? Every trade that I take, I want to look at myself in third person and ask myself if I'm sure I should be taking that trade. It's earnings season, so pay attention to how they moved the last earnings. Where will I take profits, and what sectors are performing well? So right now the tech sector is the biggest in the 5-day that's moving up, and the financial sector is flat, which is the lowest one. So I have Morgan Stanley here, which is in the flat sector, but I really like the way that it's setting up. It beat its earnings, and we're sitting right above here at the all-time high here. So if we end up breaking out, I'm risking 25 cents on this if it doesn't move any lower right now. Hopefully we break above that 47 there, but looks like we're kind of struggling. That's kind of something to pay attention to at the open. But if I'm risking 25 cents, I'm going to need this to get up to 45, which is slightly above that all-time high, so we'll just have to see how that reacts. Wow, I was looking at AAOI for over 92, but you can see it dropped all the way to 91 right now. Oh my god. Same with VRTX. Don't know what's going on with it right now, but wow. The market didn't open, right? Just making sure my clock's not messed up, I guess, because that's a lot of action right there. Anyway, pay attention to Morgan Stanley the most. I also have ASML here, looking for the long. Another earnings beat at the all-time high. And then finally I have SNI, which there's talks of a merger going to happen, but it's not for certain, so I like this stock definitely to obviously move above 78 here, which it just did. But main watch list today is going to be Morgan Stanley here. The SPY is moving up big time right now. Looks like JP Morgan, the biggest stock in the financial sector, is also green for the day, which is a good sign. So now I'm just going to sit here and wait a minute. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can find JP Morgan or Morgan Stanley's earnings. Looks like their last one was April 19th. April 19th. They also did good, but they dropped off right at the beginning of the day here. So let's see what happens. Got my orders in. Market's opening up in a few seconds. We'll see how it acts at this 47. I'd like to see it break it. Must be a lot of buyer. Must be a hidden buyer at 95. Wow. Because everybody is selling right now. Wow. Alright. JP Morgan's move up, financial sector staying a little flat. S&I had a very nice move for a breakout. We are sitting here at 84, so I'm going to have to adjust this. And I'm going to take it for a break of 47 now. Definitely missed S&I, but Morgan Stanley's fallen off, it looks like. So whoa. Stop loss will be 70. So that's 150 shares for the break. But if it's gonna keep moving down here, I'm not gonna take it. Hey, oh, I just broke 92. Very nice move. Well, I like this trade because it was moving up a ton pre-market, but looks like it's starting to sell off here. I'll still risk 30 cents on it. If it's gonna hit 70, it's probably gonna hit 65, so. Okay, well, Morgan Stanley's out. I'm looking around, I'm not really seeing anything at the moment, so I'll flip it back on if anything comes up. Okay, I think we're getting close here. See, I drew the lines here and it's starting to get squeezed pretty tight. We'll see what happens here in a second. I'm still gonna have my stop loss at 70. See, volume's growing. Almost back at the beginning of the day, same volume. Well, that's right on it. SPY's taking a hit. You can see the range is just getting tighter and tighter, so this thing is gonna pop one way or the other. I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get half size at 80, and I'll get the other half up at 90. Big sellers coming in now. Yeah, look at all that red. It's a railroad company, so I'm also watching Union Pacific. It's not exactly doing a one-to-one kind of thing here, but the overall trend has been about the same. I just deleted something. What did I delete? Alright, never mind. Ooh, looks like it's cracking down. It's getting a little too drawn out and taking way too long. It's not coming up with any momentum anymore, so should probably just avoid it. Okay, I'm going to be done for the day. Couple of things, I guess, that I missed, really. I just made some food. I was looking at this NCS. Decided not to take it. Figured it did look pretty good here, but I don't know where it's going to be at in the next, 15-20 minutes. But had a nice move down, doji, and then it just broke over there. I missed FSLR. Missed it at this 46 over here. I was gonna take it. I ended up, I pressed the record button, and then as soon as I went back up to fill out my order, it just broke through. Ended up being a pretty nice trade here. So I was at 30 cents. So we got out 30. Yeah, would have been a nice trade, but just ended up missing it. Other than that, pretty surprising day in a sense that I guess earnings season's picking up, and I actually didn't do the SPY thing yet. So we got 2.3, 3.6, and then just 5. So SPY is really not picking up yet still either. so I guess volume and volatility is really not back. For whatever reason, with Lightspeed, I can't load the VIX. I don't know what the deal is, but I can load XIV.
TV.
So if XIV is going up, oh wait, XIV is not the opposite of VIX. Never mind. Anyway, another trade that I missed was Oracle. Was looking at it around the 50 area, definitely, or the 51 area here. Ended up popping up real nice, got up to 10, but that was about the extent of it. So I mean, obviously I didn't take it because of the way it looked. I don't really, a little too choppy for me, thickly traded. But no really rules to follow if I don't take any trades. So
TK.
just kind of the way it goes, I guess. Today, something I need to pay attention more to is how a stock acts on its past earnings. So that's definitely something that I gotta pay attention to for tomorrow. Also looking into the sectors a little bit more. So I guess today's just gonna be a practice day. So thanks for watching. I'll be back again tomorrow.